Hello, good evening to everyone. This is my food for today. Ulam. Baboy, lechon, paksiw. Baboy, pork. Niluto ko ang lechon paksiw. Masarap. Ang bango ng amoy. Please follow and subscribe, like and comments and share. This is my vlog. Cecil Daniot Mix Vlog YouTube channel and L6 Cecil Daniot my profile account FB. Hello everyone. Thank you for watching my video. Bye. Hello, good evening. Magluluto ako ng aking ulam for today's video. My food for today is lechon paksiw pork. Bigay ng aking kapatid. This is me, L6 Cecil Daniot. My profile account FB. Please follow and comment and share. And my YouTube channel is Cecil Daniot Mix Vlog. Thank you for watching. This is my real face. I'm simple woman and caring, mabait. Kung mabait ka rin sa akin. This is my vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye. Good evening to everyone. I'm working 12 hours. Para may pambili. Hello, this is me, L6 Cecil Daniot. Thank you for watching. Bye.